I'm Serena. Today I will go through our Pontoon boat factory. Today I will introduce our main feature, design process, and the production status of Pontoon boats. Now I'm right here to introduce a whole Pontoon boat and the frame. You can see very clearly about the material and the Pontoon boat details. These are the Pontoon boat beam part. You can see the thickness of the aluminum is very thick and very strong duty to support all the duty of the Pontoon boat. And the front part of area, we use the C-shaped beams. And the rear part of the beam, we use the hair shape that will support more strength to hold the heavy motor and engine at the rear part. Also, the distance between every beam is different. The distance between the rear part is more narrow. It will have a strong support. Now here we go is the bracket. And every beam it has two Pontoon boats. This one has a very big thickness because it will support every beam and all the boat weights. It will distribute the strength into four for 1 point, for 2 points. As there is so many brackets to make the strong capacity, and we add a aluminum skirt to protect the brackets and make more beautiful and good overall look for the Pontoon boat. This is one of the design of our Pontoon boat nose. It has a big fender, it has a good ability to press the water, and the keel, it can cut the water very well. It also has a protection of the Pontoon boat, make it safe. Now let's see the wheel line. Even I don't know how to wheel, but I was very proud of this wheel line. It's very neat, beautiful, and gorgeous. You can not only the visible wheel line and the invisible wheel line. It's all the same, beautiful and gorgeous. And after we put it here, we will put some pressures in it and put some soap waters on the Pontoon tubes to make sure it is sealed and no water and watertight, to make sure the Pontoon boat is qualified. Here is an engine wheel. This part of the aluminum is the most thick aluminum on the boat because it needs a very strong capacity to hold the engine. Here is the fuel tank. This is the lifting strip. Two lifting strips for one Pontoon boat. It will be make the boat more stable on the water. If you will put the boat on the sea, this is the necessary accessories. these are aluminum raw material to make ready parts. These are thin and thrilling. This is aluminum mini tower. After the pontoon boat hull is ready, then we will put the boat deck on the frame. And the next step is put the floor on it. After the floor, then we will put the fence, railing and panel on the boat. The sofa, console, and other accessories we put all on the boat and waiting for assembly.
After all the assembly and inspection is completed, it will be shipped to the customers all over the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in learning more information or getting a quote, please feel free to contact us.